Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Maria to M.Ali. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, fashion, you name it. Well, in today's video, we're doing a turban tutorial or scarf tutorial, however you want to call it. So that's what we're doing today. So for the first style, we have our scarf like this. So we need two equal parts like this. And before I go further, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please, and share this video, please. Thank you. So with the two equal parts, I take one round, going round. Let me turn so you can see. And the second one, this one, goes this way. And crisscross. Let me turn back. So now it's time to talk. And I'll just tie it again just to make sure that the scarf is secured. Yeah. So there you go. So this style is appropriate for those days you're having a bad hair day, or like for me, my braids are old, so when I'm tired of rocking my braids just by itself, I just use a scarf and just tie it like that. So yeah. Back view, side, and front view. Yeah. So at this point, you can accessorize with your favorite earrings. So I'm gonna use this one. Let's see. So you see, this is a whole statement look. Today, when you don't want to do too much, but you still want to look good, you still want to make a statement, this is it. So with this one, I'm not going to fold it in half. Just going to, yeah, just like so. Because I want it to cover my whole head. That. Tie, make it as tight as you can, or as tight as you can bear. So we can just twist and go around, twist the other one, and then tie it. So for this look, I just decided to use a small earring since the color is like so bright and vibrant. So just a small white earring, like that. So for the next look, this one is very simple. We just hold it back. You can use whichever side you want to use. You can use this side, or you can use this side. I'm going with this side. Let me see. You can just do, what's this? You can just do this just like that, legit. Just go out and you can. Or you can so you see both looks are very like simple but classy at the same time, so just like that. So for the next one, this one is similar to the last, so the scarf like this, go. Actually not equal, like that, yep. So with this one, I'm gonna use these two ends to make a bow. So like this, it was like this before, so I'm just trying to make sure like it's all smooth and, you know, I don't want this, I don't want to use this side but this side instead. So now just do like this. Like you're tying a shoelace basically. So you can just hide this too. And just fluff out the bow. You can make it as big or as small as you want. So I think I'm okay with this size. Doesn't really matter. The star of the show is the bow, so however you want to do the back. So yeah, you can turn it more to the side. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun watching as much as I had fun filming and styling the scarves. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment down below video suggestions of what you want to see me do, and also don't forget to follow me on Twitter and on IG, Mariatu_M.Ali. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much and God bless you. Bye.